Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday. I hope that you had a great Monday, and I hope your day ahead is amazing. Thank you for stopping in. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And thank you so much to everyone who has already subscribed. I am so grateful, so very grateful. I appreciate you guys so much. So this morning, before I head out to work, I just wanted to finish up these super cute earrings. So this mold right here is a chocolate mold. It came with 3. Now, this just goes to show, like, it's really good to look different places for molds. So this came from the TJ Maxx Home Goods, one of those blended stores. And this came with 3 in a pack for $3.99, and it was perfect. So I'm using one for epoxy. I put one in with my chocolate candy molds, and then I put one in with my soap molds. So this is a candy mold. And I thought, it would also make super cute soaps. So before Halloween, I'll make soap and, just put it in the bathroom. So if anybody's over and, they need to wash their hands in the bathroom, there'll be these cute little soaps in there. So I also thought that this would make really cute earrings. Now they are a little bit thick. But my hope is, I'm thinking that on the wing, I'll be able to pull something out. So let's see. Oh, look, that is so pretty. So I decided to do this, orange glitter also. I thought that would be cute. And, you can do earrings the same, or you could do mix and match, one black, one orange. So that's super cute. Turned out perfect. And because these molds were thick, it was actually really easy for me to, line up nicely and not go over the top and have a good back. So these were actually really great molds. So, oh, look at that. Super cute. So there's those. And now this is the Glitter Chimp, and it's the Night Fury. This one is Glitter Chimp, and it's called Hawt, H-A-W-T. So one has a little tiny piece I could just pull off, and it wasn't really over. I think I dropped some on it that stuck, so that was easy enough. So super cute. And there's this one, yeah. So those are really cute. And then I wasn't going to do them, but I had enough epoxy, so I decided to do some spiders. So yeah, so those are super cute. I don't know that I'm going to make the spiders into earrings. I may just use them as a little decor in, I have some tiered trays. I have one in my entryway that I'm doing Halloween stuff. So I think that I'll probably put these spiders in that tiered tray. And then these guys, I feel like they would make good earrings. Now, they're definitely a little bit thick. So if I can't get through it, then I can always use them on the tiered tray, but I'm really hoping to be able to make them into earrings. So I have this little hand drill, not the easiest, but it does work pretty good. I've got some pliers, and then I have this set of just rings and earrings and stuff. And all of these came from Amazon, and I will link it. And that just reminded me I didn't go back and link the stuff from my last video, and I'll do that as well. So I'm feeling like I probably want to start it on this end for 2 reasons. Because A, if it doesn't work, then, you know, my mess up is on the other side. But also this side is flatter and I feel like probably a little easier. So this drill's really easy. Oh yeah, that was easy enough. Okay. And you just, as you can see, you just take it and roll it through. Now, I think I'm going to need like a bigger eye hook. And I have found that sometimes these earrings are like missing this little piece here, which is fine. That's only for decoration, but just pay attention if you use something like this so that you're making sure they match. So I'm gonna do a little bit bigger eye hook and just gonna open it up and then slide that through. Maybe, let's see, is it gonna slide through? It is. All right, just needs a little work. And then we'll put this guy on. Sorry, I'm trying to stay in frame and still do these. It's a little bit hard. So I've been trying to film this other way so that everything's not necessarily like upside down, because I was filming from the front. Like I was filming from over here this way. So now I have the camera right here in front of me and I'm working over it because I feel like that's a better view. It's just getting used to being able to work around the camera. All right. So super cute, yes. All right, so that's cute. Make sure that you're, you know, putting your earring on. I pulled this off because you need to make sure that you're putting your earring on. So that if you hang it, you know, it's, you got your bat hanging the way you want it to. Now, these are just for Halloween, so I'm not gonna probably do it, but a lot of times when I'm doing earrings, what I'll do is put them on like, you know, a little piece of silicone or freezer paper, wax paper, something like that. And then when I'm doing something with epoxy, and then if I don't have anything with epoxy going on, I'll just do UV resin and put under. But I like to put a little dab of epoxy right here on this because it keeps the earring from going through. You see what I mean? All right, so I'm going to put it on fast mode and do these other ones real quick, and then we'll see them all together. But I think that's really cute, a cute little Halloween earring. All right. All right, so again, I used this little hand drill from Amazon, chocolate mold. It came in 3 for $3.99 from Home Goods, so you can get these any place. this is my little hardware bin that I got from Amazon. I have several different ones. And my Night Fury from Glitter Chimp. And then the hot, I think it might be hot sauce, H-A-W, but it's H-A-W-T. And I'm sorry it's outside because I am doing a tumbler with this one right now. So anyways, look, these little guys came out so cute. So cute. And now when I was doing them, I did think about like them on the ear and which way did I want them to fall. So super cute. And you know, these are good for like yourself. They're good for, you know, your kid, but also, you know, if you have a shop, like cute little, you know, holiday earrings like this, I think that they would sell really well. And super cute. Like they took no time to make whatsoever. And as I was doing tumblers, I actually used, you know, extra epoxy that I had and made these at the same time. And then, you know, they set. So it seriously, I mean, work time, honest to God, maybe 15, 20 minutes max of work time, you know, to make these 2 pairs of earrings. So super cute. And then again, these little spiders I will put on my tiered tray. But I'm really happy with them. I hope that this was something that was helpful to you. And listen, I hope you have a blessed and beautiful rest of your day. And I will see you soon. I'm not exactly sure when I'll have a chance to finish up my tumblers. I'm hoping in the next few days, and then I'll get them out to you as well. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.